Welcome to our channel. Today, we're sharing 10 healthy breakfast ideas to help you lose weight without sacrificing flavor. Let's dive into these easy-to-make, nutritious meals that will keep you full and energized throughout the day. First up, start your morning with a protein-packed smoothie by blending a scoop of whey protein, a handful of fresh berries, spinach, and almond milk. This smoothie is rich in protein and fiber, keeping you satisfied all morning long. Next, savor creamy avocado toast on whole grain bread, topped with a perfectly poached egg. Avocados provide healthy fats and fiber, while eggs are a great source of protein, making this a balanced and filling option. For a quick, no-cook breakfast, try Greek yogurt with fresh berries and chia seeds. Greek yogurt is high in protein, and chia seeds add a boost of fiber to support fullness and weight loss. Another delicious option is a veggie omelet packed with your favorite vegetables like spinach, bell peppers, and tomatoes. This meal is low in calories and high in nutrients. If you're pressed for time, prepare overnight oats by soaking oats in almond milk and adding fruits and nuts. This fiber-rich breakfast helps control appetite and keeps your energy steady. For a refreshing alternative, mix cottage cheese with fruits like pineapple or berries for a high-protein, low-calorie breakfast that feels indulgent but supports your goals. Whole grain toast with almond or peanut butter topped with banana slices is another simple and satisfying choice, combining healthy fats, protein, and carbohydrates for sustained energy. If you're feeling adventurous, try a quinoa breakfast bowl topped with sautéed veggies and a fried egg. Quinoa is a complete protein, making it an excellent choice for weight management. Smoothie bowls are another fun option. Blend frozen fruits and top with granola, sliced fruits, and seeds for a refreshing, nutrient-dense start to your day. Lastly, enjoy a portable breakfast wrap using a whole grain tortilla filled with scrambled eggs, lean turkey or tofu, and plenty of fresh veggies. Each of these recipes is easy to customize and provides the right balance of nutrients to support your weight loss journey. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporating these healthy meals into your daily routine can make a big difference over time. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more tips and recipes. Check out our other videos for even more nutritious ideas to support your health and wellness journey. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.